Internet web browser. The web browser is an application software that opens web page to allow us to view information from the internet. There are several examples of web browser such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, and Mozilla Firefox, etc. A browser can access information on World Wide Web (www) and display it on your computer or mobile device. World Wide Web can be as a global collection of websites that the computer user can access via internet, moving from one page to another and viewing information of them is known as and the internet. The illustration below shows the main parts of the Google Chrome windows. We can type the address of the web page we want to visit in the address bar. The menu buttons have all the useful commands. It is from this menu that we can open a new Windows, print and manage bookmarks. The web page section display the content of that web page. When we click on the new tab button, a new tab will open. Here is the labeled illustration of some important buttons. Search engine. A search engine is a website that allows us to search from information on the internet. Popular example of the search engine include Google, Yahoo, Kind Search, Ask, and Microsoft Bing. We can do the following on the search engine. Search a topic and gather information about it. Find and save pictures and images. Search for and download files and programs using rapid type tour. This is one of the most used software applications that is used to learn and enhance the typing skills of the user. It aids in developing the keyboarding skills. Keyboarding means typing on the keyboard using the correct fingers. Each finger one on your hands should be placed correctly on the specific key on the keyboard. It is very important for the user to know the correct sitting posture when using the keyboard. Prescribed sitting posture when keyboarding. Sit upright and keep your back straight. Keep your elbow bent at an angle of 90. Face towards the monitor with head slightly nestled forward. Keep an ideal distance of at least 45-17 cm from the screen. Sit in a way that your shoulders, arms, and wrist mucilus and is least straight. The wrist should touch the table top in front of the keyboard, making sure that the board white not shifted to the visitor.